In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to pay Klarna with bank account. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily set up a bank account on Klarna, so you will be able to manage your payments that you make through Klarna using that bank account. To do this, you will need the latest version of their mobile app. So open the latest version of Klarna on any mobile device and sign into the account that you want to manage the bank account for. Using the navigation bar at the bottom of your screen, go over to You, so tap the option at the bottom right and access your page, and then tap the settings icon, usually located at the top right corner of the You page. You will then be able to browse through all of the settings. One of the options under the shopping category should be payment methods, and as the name suggests, you will be able to manage the cards and bank accounts currently attributed to your account. So go over to payment methods. You will then be able to locate the connected bank account, which is the main account that you have linked, and then any stored cards linked to Klarna. So the cards can be used for auto pay, which is a function where you will be able to automatically make payments for all the things that you have purchased in 30 days. Alternatively, if you just want to link a bank account to manage your payments, it is going to be at the top. So if you have never linked a bank account before, the option will be available, but if you have, it is going to display this message. Log into your bank account to verify it and secure it from fraud, and you will have the verify account button. If you tap on the account option or the connected bank account at any time, you will be redirected to another page where you can log in to verify your account and also see the details about the specific bank account that you have connected. You will be able to change it at any time or even remove the bank account altogether, but the process of linking it is extremely simple. You will be able to include all of the details and, as I suggested, log into the specific service or bank account to manage the connection and verify it. So just do this process through the app. Afterwards, when you make any purchases using Klarna and you use the Pay in 4, Pay in 3, or Pay in 30 days options, you will be able to pay them off using the bank account. I hope I was able to help you on how to pay Klarna with bank account. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.